But you know, we'll see what happens. All right, so hopefully we're gonna get a couple fish hooked. We'll have a good day. Stay tuned, see what happens. It's very important to get it as close as the structure as you possibly can, to draw those fish out that are, you know, in the cover. But the thing is, not so close that you're gonna snag up. If you snag into that tree, you have to, you know, you start shaking it, trying to get it out. It really disrupts and disturbs that spot for a while. Alright guys, here we are, and we're at the creek here of Jenkinson Lake, and yeah, it's pretty cool stuff. Hold on. I mean, it's definitely pretty peaceful out here. I'm interested, does the creek have fish? I mean, it's got to have fish. Does it have a lot of fish? Does it have a couple fish? Oh, that's cool. I like that. Right now, holy cow. Yeah, this is pretty cool, guys. All right, here we are. The pocket is definitely deep. I mean, I don't know, you guys probably can't tell from the view that you've got, but it goes down to about 6 feet right here, maybe 6.5 feet. All right, guys, it's been tough. I got a little follower, looked like a sunfish family type of small fish. And I'm out here, and I cast it in, and the wind is really bad right now, guys. It blew my bait 5 feet to the right of where I cast it and went into the tree. I ended up having to check it out, and I'm looking at this, and I thought I got bit earlier. Well, clearly I did, because that's all that's left. Guys, we're out here at Jenkinson Lake. We hooked into a good one. I hope the knot holds, because the line is frayed. It's a good one. It looks like possibly a smallie. That's what I'm hoping for. Big old smallie. That's what it looks like, dude. Sweet. There's no way to really get down and get him, and I don't want to break this line. Bring him over here. Get this smallmouth over here. Holy cow, it's a giant, guys. It's a big old smallmouth. And this thing is big. First fish ever caught at Jenkinson Lake. Oh, sweet. That smallie out here. Beautiful. Let me get it in the sun. Beautiful smallmouth out here, Jenkinson Lake. Alright guys, just got this beautiful small. Oh, it's a bass.